If you have another laptop just sitting around, did you know that you can use it as a secondary monitor like this? Let me show you. And this will require no third-party software. So go to the laptop that you want to use as a monitor. Then you're going to go to settings, then go to apps. Then you're going to see an option written optional features. Click on that. Then click on the plus sign right there, and then right there you're going to search for wireless display. Mine is already installed, that's why it's not searching up right here, as you can see right here. So go ahead and install yours. Then go back to settings, search for projection settings, then click on it, and then make sure that your settings match the ones that I've put right here. Then go to your main laptop or your desktop, right click, then click on display settings. I'm on Windows 11 right here, so it looks a bit different, but look for a setting called multiple displays. Scroll down and you'll see an option to connect to a wireless display. Then click on connect. Then right here it will detect your other laptop. So click on it, and then there will be a prompt that will come to your secondary laptop, and then accept it. And once you do so, it's going to start using it as a monitor. But one more settings that will allow you to extend this display is to make sure that when you go to multiple displays, click on this option right here and make sure that it is under extend display and not duplicate display. Be sure to follow for more tips like this.